Here's how to do my cattleman revolver. Gold barrel, gold cylinder, black and steel frame, gold hammer, black and steel sight, and gold trigger. There's the list if you need it. Now let's go to the grip. Go to ebony. Short barrel. Improved rifling. Improved sights. Nope, wrong one. And for the engravings, you can see it has some engravings on it. I think you can see it, I'm not sure. But, how to get rid of that? But, you're gonna wanna do this. You're gonna wanna do black and steel on the barrel and cylinder for just the frame.
I do my best to make sure they have guns they can rely on.
And I put a eagle carving on my grip. So that's my revolver. So if you guys want to do it, I don't mind.